food delivery business is booming, and you need motorbikes, e-bikes, bicycles to deliver the foods. And for that, you need the delivery boxes, delivery bags, and the racks to install on your bikes and to deliver the food. Welcome to USM Motorcycles, the suppliers for steel tilting carriers for motorbikes. One like this. The steel tilting carrier can open like this and closes back and lock like this, just like that. These type of racks or steel tilting carriers I make for the motorbikes and scooters that can be any make and model. Today I'm going to show you in this video that I also make the carriers or racks for the e-bikes as well. One like this. So already the rack is on, which can be removed like this. This is the one which I make and put it back just like that. And tight it over. So I make the racks for any type of e-bikes, not only this particular model. That could be any make and model. I can make the racks for them. So for this type, I have designed this one. And this one is for corrugated plastic delivery boxes, fiberglass boxes, or even for the delivery bags. Anything can go on it. Let me show you. This is the normal black box for the food deliveries, which can go over it like this. Then you need only 4 screws to tight the box over the rack. So it can go like this. And this is the bag, which can go over it like this. And there is another type of delivery bag, which is a complete, like a box type, hard. It's box, basically it's box as well. Can open like this. Yeah, nice box, thermal box, can keep food warm inside and pizzas. This type can go over it. Can be fastened with the straps over it, over the rack. And there is another type, which is a small one. That is box as well. small box and can be fastened with these straps over the rack. And this type is also similar to the other one. Like this. So these are the carriers or racks which I make for the motorbikes, any make and model, e-bikes, again, any make and model, even for the push bikes. For more information, please visit my website www.usmmotorcycles.co.uk. Thanks for watching.